Okay. Yes.
To prove BI equal IC, I proved AB equal CD أكيد أول شيء.
Okay. How did you prove that AB is equal to CD? Yes,
Okay.
I hear you.
AD is equal to AB plus AC. It's given.
Okay.
And AD is equal to AB plus BD.
Yeah. We have AB or
So
AD.
AC is equal to BD.
خليني امشي معك بس لحظة. So AD is equal to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Okay, so
And AD is equal to AB plus BD.
AD is equal to AB
Plus
plus B.
BD, yes.
Okay.
So AC is equal to BD.
Okay. So here insert point B plus AC. Then this means
Yes.
that BD is equal to AC. Yeah, simplify AB with AB. Okay, continue. Then
Okay. Then I inserted the point B on AC
point B.
and point C on BD.
Okay, so you get BC.
يعني AB plus BC.
So
Yes.
BC plus CD is equal to AB
Plus AB.
plus BC. That's what you did?
Plus BC.
Okay. Simplify.
Yes. So AB is equal to CD.
AB is equal to CD. Okay. AB vector AB is equal to vector CD.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
I continue?
Continue. But we could prove it in a simpler way.
Okay. Now let I be the
Just one moment.
point of AD.
We may prove it in a simpler way. If you insert here
okay.
point D, you get the answer. And you have AD instead of writing all these, you have AD is equal to AB plus AC. If you insert here point D, then you'll get AD is equal to AB plus AD plus DC, right? Move everything to the left side. AD and AD, they cancel out each other. Then negative DC is equal to AB, which means that CD is equal to AB.
Oh,
Right?
yes.
Okay. How can we continue?
Now let I be the midpoint of AD.
I is the midpoint of AD.
So
Okay.
AI is equal to ID.
AI, yeah. I is the midpoint of AD. Then AI, here we start with I is the midpoint of AD. AI is equal to ID. Okay. AI is equal to ID.
So AB plus BI is equal to IC plus CD.
So here insert point B.
Point B.
Okay.
Point B
So
on
insert
AI
here point
and
B.
point C on ID.
And here insert point C. Then you get AB plus BI is equal to CI plus ID. Sorry, IC plus CD.
IC.
IC plus CD, yes. Is
Yes.
equal to IC plus CD. Okay. But AB is equal to CD.
And AB is equal to CD, so BI is equal to IC.
BI is equal to IC. So here you have proved that BI in this figure, BI is equal to IC, then I is the midpoint of BC. Then I is the midpoint of BC. Okay, nice way. Hey. So to repeat again her method, she proved that AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Okay. No need to follow these steps. We can prove it, or to prove that AB is equal to CD. To prove that AB is equal to CD, we can write from this step AD is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. Just insert here point D. Then AD, or insert here point C. Insert here point C. حتى كمان أريح شوي. So insert point C here. Then you'll get AC plus CD is equal to AB plus AC. AC and AC, they cancel out each other. Then CD is equal to AB. Okay. So here she proved that vector CD, this vector CD, is equal to vector AB. Now, if I is the midpoint of AD, here I is the midpoint of AD, then AI is equal to ID. Here I midpoint of AD. So in this figure, I is the midpoint of AD, then AI is equal to ID. AI is equal to ID. Insert point B here and point C here. Then you get AB plus BI is equal to IC plus CD. But AB is equal to CD, then they cancel out each other. It means that BI is equal to IC. BI is equal to IC. BI is equal to IC, then I is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, AD and BC have the same midpoint as required. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Exercise number 8. Did you finish writing here? Did you finish writing here?
Yes.
Exercise number 8, page 101. Number 8. Consider a triangle ABC. IJK are 3 points, so that IB is equal to 2IC. We have JC is equal to 3JA. and we have point K, so that Ka is equal to 1 over 6 Kb. Of course, you have to draw a figure. ABC is any triangle. لكن نبين الاسوسيس فيه بعتقد نبين يمكن خلينا ناخذ ترينجلات. Okay, here we have triangle A, B, and C. ABC is any triangle. But how can you plot point C so that IB is equal to 2IC? Okay, Melissa. Good morning.
It says
Yes.
I will draw from point B a line equal to BC.
From point B.
ايه يعني الاثنين معي مش لهذيك الماي مش لمالك السي.
طيب خلينا نمشي معك لأنه مش كتير واضح، حتى صوتك شوي مش واضح. طيب insert a okay. هيك يا ريبال هيدا لاين بي سي.
ايه استاذ اوكي بنقيس البي سي
اوكي
وبنعمل
measure بي سي.
انه الاي بي ايكوال لبي سي.
IB is equal to BC. يعني هون here is point I. For example, here is point I. هون هي point I.
ايه تقريبا هون استاذ.
طيب look at this vector. If you plot the point I here, check, is IB equal to IC? As I told you last
أستاذ مش
time,
لازم
when you
نحط على
plot a point,
النماد.
when you plot a point, check, does this point satisfy the given?
استاذ مغلبط. مغلبط استاذ.
شو لك؟
طلعت الاي بي ايكوال تو اي سي. لازم تكون عطياني ماي.
لازم تكون هون. طيب انه IB is equal to 2IC. It's clear. طيب do I have to guess? And when you have to draw,
Yes.
do I have to guess? How would I explain that I should be here? Yes, Ribal. Without guessing.
Yes استاذ.
As I told you last time, when you have to draw a point or to plot a point using vectors, then Here the point you are going to plot is point I. So keep this point I in only one of the vectors. In one of the vectors. Okay? And keep the other vectors in terms of a given point, or in terms of given points. Okay? So here you have IB is equal to 2IC. Insert point C here, or insert point B here. اللي بدك اياه كله صح. Okay? So if you insert here point C, then you will get IC plus CB is equal to 2IC. Move 2IC to the left side, or IC to the right side. Then you get CB is equal to, أو لا خلينا نشتغل هذيك اللي بدك كل واحد مثل بعض. Yeah. Then move IC to the right side. Then CB is equal to IC, right? To IC minus IC, which is IC. 2IC minus IC. Then CB is equal to IC. Right. Then CI is equal to BC, the opposites. Then CI is equal to BC. So here, from point C, you draw a vector equal to BC. From point C, you draw a vector equal to BC. So in the same direction, collinear. Okay. In the same sense, from B to C, from left to right. Okay. Draw from C in this sense, CI is equal to BC. Measure BC and plot point I so that CI is equal to BC. Okay. This is the easiest way to plot the point without guessing. هلا هيدي اوكي يمكن very clear. طب شو بتحكي عن هو؟ بلشنا نحكي عن fractions. Okay. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes. IC equal.
ريبال صوتك كثير عم بيعطش مش عم بفهم عليك. ريبال
قصدي فيز انه غلطت بين الاي سي equal to اي بي.
ماشي. طيب what about the second one? JC is equal to 3JA. We are at the same idea. Insert point A. Insert point A here. Then you get JA plus AC is equal to 3JA. Move JA to the right side. Then AC is equal to 2JA. Divide by 2. Then 1 over 2 AC is equal to JA. And then AJ is equal to 1 over 2 CA, the opposites. So JA or AJ. ليش حاسس في عندي غلط؟ لا ما عنديش غلط. 1 over 2 CA. Okay. So here okay. J or AJ is equal half CA. So from point A, draw a vector equal half CA. So in the same sense, from C to A. So here should be point J somewhere here. Now for the magnitude, it's half CA. Measure CA and take half of it. So here it will be point J. تقريبا القد أو قبل شوي. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now for the last one, نفس الخبرية. Then here we have to plot point K, where K exists in these two vectors. By the way, if I ask you, how did you plot the points? those who did the homework. And by the way, those who didn't do the homework, يعني عندي حكي تاني معهم. طيب how did you plot point K? سيرين.
يس استاذ انا حطيت انه 6KA equal KB.
Okay, 6KA is
by
equal to
measurement
KB. بعدين
equal KB. Okay, elongate line AB.
okay.
Okay, by measurement.
You measured them. طيب how did you measure them?
I measured the AB. Yes, 1/5 منها هي AK.
ليش 1 over 5؟ شو عرفك ال 1 over 5؟
لأنه KB هي شو اسمه؟ KB هي 6KA مش
Okay,
AB.
بس إنه يعني you guessed that it is 5 and 1 over 5. It's true, by the way. بقول لا.
Yes.
But here, if you insert point
Yes.
A, insert point A here, okay, then you'll get 6KA is equal to KA plus AB. Then take KA to the left side. Then 5KA is equal to AB.
is
Then,
equal to AB. Yes.
then AK
أنا calculations هاو مش
1 over 5 BA. Divide by 5 and take the opposite. I did it in one step. Then here, AK is equal to 1 over 5 AB. So from point A, draw a vector is equal to 1 over 5 BA. So in this sense, measure BA and take 1 over 5 of it. Here it will be point K, somewhere here. Right? Point K. Yeah, again, AK, it is 1 over 5 BA. So you measure BA and take 1 over 5 of it. Here it will be point K. Okay? Right. Now the question proved that the points, I will prove that the points. Point K will be somewhere here. Here is point K. Now, part A. By the way, here we answered part A. Find AJ in terms of AC. Find AJ in terms of AC. How can we find AJ in terms of AC? شو بدنا اليوم كأنه ناسانين؟ صحصحوا شوي.
It's negative 1 over 2 CA.
يعني it is negative
يعني
1
1
over
over 2 AC.
AC. Or شو هذا AJ؟ لا, it's negative 1 over 2 AC. Yeah. We already found it. We already found it. In fact, here you can consider this is part A. We did all these in order to draw the graph, in order not to guess the location of each point. But in fact, here we were answering part A. Okay? So يعني ما تستوعبوا إذا واحد مثلا خي بعد ما رسمش الفيجر بالمرة بيقدر يجاوب part A. And you have JC is equal to 3JA, and the question find AC, okay, or find the JA or AJ in terms of AC. So it's very trivial to insert here point A. بس. Or insert here point C, you'll get the same answer. لا JA لا ما بيمشي الحال هون point C. هذا هون insert point A as I did here. Okay, so insert point A. Then here AJ is equal to half CA. That means that AJ is equal to negative half AC. The opposite of CA is negative AC. Negative.
حتى يعني
نعم.
حتى الثاني find a vector AK in terms of AB.
نعم. AK in terms of AD. But AK in terms of AB. كمان we already did.
تطلع negative.
AK is equal 1 over 5 BA. It means that AK is negative 1 over 5 AB. The opposite of BA is negative AB. ليش عم بكتب هيك AB؟ لأنه هو السؤال بدي إياه in terms of AB. Clear? Any questions till now? Any questions?
No.
No.
Part B. أو خلينا نكتب Part B. The question, find JK as linear combination of AB and AC. JK linear combination of AB and AC. JK. What do you insert on vector JK?
Point A.
Point A. It's very trivial to insert point A. Why? Because you already have here. If you insert point A, you'll get JA, is the opposite of AG, and AK, you have AK. And these two vectors are written in terms of AB and AC. So insert point A, JA plus AK, which is equal to JA 1 over 2 AC. AJ is negative half AC. It means that JA, it is positive half AC, 1 over 2 AC. And AK, negative 1 over 5 AB. خلصت. Here we wrote JK, a linear combination of AB and AC. Right. What about the second one? You have to find the JI. JI as a linear combination of AB and AC.
Insert point T.
JI. Yeah, just 1 minute. JI linear combination of AB and AC. Yes, what did you say, Serene? Insert point.
I said I insert point T.
Insert point C. Very good. So you get
Yes.
JC plus CI,
Plus CI.
which is equal to
JC 3GA
JC, it is 3GA.
plus BC. CI equal to BC.
Yeah, just 1 moment. JC, it is 3GA.
Okay.
So 3JA plus CI. What about
CI equal
CI?
BC.
It's BC. We already did it here.
Yeah.
Okay. So plus BC, which is equal
Is equal
to
to 3 into 0.5 AC.
good.
Will BC I insert
JA.
point A.
Yeah, just 1 moment. JA. Here we found JA. The JA, it is half AC. JA, it is half AC here from this, as we did in the first one. JA, it is half AC. So 3 times half AC. Plus, what about BC?
BC I insert point A. بتصير BA
Insert
plus
point
AC.
A. Why to insert point A? Because the question write it as linear combination of AB and AC. So if you insert point A here, you'll get BA and AC. BA, and it's negative AB. you will get the vectors BA, AB, and AC. So here BA plus AC, which is equal to 3 over 2 AC plus AC,
1.5 AC plus AC plus VA.
which is 2.5 AC, 2.5 AC, which is 5 over 2. 5 over 2 AC minus AB.
Yes.
Again, to repeat again, JI, it is JC plus CI. Insert point, I'm still معك يا مالينا. Insert point C here, JC plus CI. But the JC, it is given 3JA. 3JA. Okay, طيب. Plus CI, we proved that CI is equal to BC from this one. Okay, right. Now JA, we have proved it. JA, it is half AC. So you get 3 over 2 AC plus BC, insert point A. Here, insert point A. Then we'll get BA plus AC. Why to insert point A? Because to get the vectors, or in order to get the vectors AB and AC. Okay. Now, simplify 3 over 2 AC plus 1 AC, 3 over 2 plus 1. Take common denominator, you get 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 AC plus AB, which is minus, sorry, plus BA, which is minus AB. Okay, the last part C, deduce that IJ and K are collinear. How can you prove that IJ and K are collinear? Deduce.
May I tell you?
Yeah, start.
Okay. JK جبناها 0.5 AC و 0 minus 0.2 AB أو 1 over 5 مثل ما قلت.
Okay, I prefer to.
Okay, بعملها لهذه
fraction
الإيكويشن
because in
times
case
5
you have other fractions here.
fractions.
Okay,
Okay.
1 over 5 it's 0.2, but in case let's say you have 3 over 7.
Yeah.
No, فخلينا بالفراكشنز أحسن.
Okay.
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 Continue.
Okay. نعملها للإيكويشن times 5 تطلع 5JK equal 5 over 2 AC minus AB.
Good. So here 5 JK 5JK, it's equal to 5 into this 5 half AC minus 1 over 5 AB. Distribute this 5, so you get 5 over 2 AC minus 5 over 5, which is 1, minus 5 AB. And this vector is equal to what?